The wheel spacers weaken the handling on the Tesla Model 3. Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will negatively impact the Tesla Model 3 incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, high-quality wheel spacers on your Tesla Model 3 will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers don't cause issues. As long as the wheel spacer match your Tesla Model 3's bolt pattern and hub bolt, it will position the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel's balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Hub-centric quality Tesla Model 3 wheel spacer can maintain properly balanced. Install hub-centric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are designed with a hub centering in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the knuckle nut can reverse against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the Tesla Model 3 weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing a minimum chance of vibration. BONOSS Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed wheel vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers can also be adapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Besides, the bloxsport active cooling Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect in favor of safety. Overall, high-quality Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers will enhance the ride quality.